Hello, this is Roland Parker with Impress Computers in Houston. We wanted to alert our clients and other businesses about a cybersecurity issue we're currently seeing. Several companies across the United States are receiving extortion emails claiming that the restaurant point-of-sale platform HungerRush has been hacked and that company data has been stolen. In the past few days, we've already seen multiple organizations receive this exact same email, including some of our own managed IT clients. These messages typically claim that attackers have access to internal systems and threaten to release sensitive data unless a ransom is paid. In many cases, these emails are part of large cyber extortion campaigns designed to scare businesses into paying quickly. If your company receives one of these messages, do not respond to the sender and do not pay any ransom. Instead, preserve the email and contact your IT provider so the situation can be reviewed. Our cybersecurity team at Impress Computers is actively monitoring this issue and helping clients verify that their systems remain secure. If you received one of these emails or want to ensure your business is protected, please reach out to our team. You can learn more at impresscomputers.com. Stay safe, and remember, strong cybersecurity starts with awareness and preparation.